is Taylor again from netbeanstutorials.com. This is part 2 of Hello World. We'll be discussing and learning how to use variables in this video. Alright, now in our last video we did system.out.println hello world. Well, today we're going to do something a little bit different. Now we're going to have access a variable. And what a variable is really simply a label that your computer knows to have a value. So we print the label and the computer reads it as its actual value. So as an example, let's do hello, and then it'll greet you by your name. So to do that, we type hello and then end that part of the text string right there. And then we tell it to add your name. Your name in this case, the way I've printed it, the plus sign tells them that a variable label is coming. And since it only sees it as a value, there's an error because there is no value at the moment. We haven't defined the variable anywhere in our code. We just told it to go ahead and access the variable. So that's going to create an error. So first we have to declare what the variable's value is and what kind of variable it is. Well, first you have to ask what kind of value is going to be contained within the variable. Is it going to be text, numbers, whole numbers, or a number with a decimal? So it's obviously not going to be a number or any type of number, so it's going to contain text. So we're going to type string your name equals, and then you're going to do the quotation parentheses to tell it that it's going to contain a string, and then type your name. My name is Taylor. It's a beautiful girl's name, and I really hate it. Now you've assigned it a value and declared the variable. Right here, you have actually declared the variable. You don't actually have to give it the value on that line. You can do it later in your code, several times if you like. String your name equals, oh I'm sorry, we've already declared it so we can't do that. Your name equals Taylor. We can even do it on the second line. And we can even do it after we print. Your name equals, but it will do no good. This line will not print. Okay. Okay, that's excellent. Now let's do system.out.println, and let's have it give us our age, just for the sake of learning how to do variables with numbers in them. Hello, your age is space plus your age. And we're going to do a semicolon to show that the code is end on that line. And then we're going to need, again, it doesn't know what the variable label is going to be, so the type of variable for numbers is called an int. So we're going to do int your age equals 21, because you know I'm 21. You can type whatever your age is, and then once you've got all that, go ahead and run it. See if it builds. Alright, it worked. In our next video, we'll discover how to use a scanner property, and upon runtime, it'll actually prompt the user for information to use in our variable, and it'll use a scanner property to do so. Click on the banner to get started.